Hi, so this is for Enhancement 6. I have my Acme website pulled up here. To start off, I'll show you guys that this My Account link changes to a logout link for different views. So first, I'll come to the My Account and the login page here. I'm going to first log in as a level 1 user. So let me do that. Excellent, so I'm a level 1 user. You can see the product management link is not coming up on this page because my user level is less than 1. And then also notice that the My Account link has been changed to a logout link. And because I've opened up a session, so that is working correctly. As a level 1 user, this is for the extra credit part of this enhancement, but I won't be able to access the product management page even if I directly input it here. It'll automatically redirect me to the home page. So if I, instead of looking at Acme accounts, I'll look at Acme products. Perfect. If my user level were greater than 1, it would allow me to actually access the page, but because I'm not, it redirected me here to the home page. So that is working correctly. I'm going to log out as a level 1 user. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to log in as a level 3. Perfect, so I've logged in as a level 3 user, and now the product management link is coming up. You'll notice once again the My Account has changed to logout. If I click on product management, it brings me to this page, and the logout button is still there. I can click on add a new category and add a new product, but because my user level is greater than 1 now, I have the ability to access the page, so my extra credit assignment works. I'll just click on add a new category here. You can see that everything is functioning the way it's supposed to. Once again, the logout link is there. And then if we go to add a new product, once again, that is working perfectly. And so I'm actually going to log out and log back in one more time as a level 3 user. Perfect, so this is my admin page. I'm going to check or validate the HTML for this. It's going to be, I can't validate it the way that we're supposed to. If I try and do page source, just so you can see, it gives me this notice. It says the web page requires data that you entered earlier in order to be properly displayed. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but I can't view the page source. I tried here too. And it gives me the same error message. So even though this isn't the way that we're supposed to do it, just to show you that my HTML is valid in the best way that I can, I'm going to look at my NetBeans, and I'm going to copy everything that's here on the admin.php. And I'm going to come here to the HTML validator and validate by direct input. And it doesn't recognize PHP. I understand that, but the only warning message it gives me is that I have an H1 that's empty, but it's just because it has a PHP section inside of it that obviously hasn't been changed to just HTML because I'm not viewing the page source. But this gets filled in with the client's first name, and you can see here that it does work and that it does bring up the client's first name. And since that is the only warning, everything else for my HTML is valid. So the admin.php has valid HTML. I think that's everything for this enhancement. Let me just double check. Yes, okay, perfect. Thank you so much for watching.